All right, quick little update. 351 short block I picked up for $450 after letting the pistons soak. Some of our good friend Evapo-Rust. This stuff is awesome, kind of pricey, but pretty awesome. Now out of it. And of course, the almighty mechanics best friend of WD-40. We have it fairly cleaned up enough that it will turn over very easily. So now, continue cleaning. This thing is dirty, 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 as you can see. But mind the bits of stuff from the oil pan being off. I did not see any metal in there. This is all carbon buildup and chunks off of the dirty engine falling off. I didn't see any bad signs of metal or anything. Should be a real good starting plate